What is up, yo? It's August 19th, Wednesday, and what I want to share with you guys today is AudiMZD, right? It was a sell that I took. The reason I took it was because it was a very, very clean setup, and I want to take you guys through a step-by-step process as to what I was really looking at, right? What my confirmations were to be able to enter that trade, and also the end results, which were pretty nice. But I want to go ahead and just get a detailed description that will help everyone who's following along from an institutional standpoint, right? This is not retail trading. This is institutional trading. So, these setups are pretty nice. Now, what I like to look at first is the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame is going to go ahead and give me the overall perspective as to what I'm looking at. So here, I can identify a very, very nice point of interest, right? So that lets me know that I'm working within an area that can actually produce some shorts, right? So I go into the smaller time frame and I'm looking at the schematic, right? I'm looking at the market structure that's playing out. Here I can see that we have some distribution going on. So this allows me to look at this last move, which was actually pointing into a point of interest on the smaller time frame, right? This is really good news because this distribution can start to produce those downward movements, right? So this move right here actually pushed below some lows, creating that area of more bearish momentum. It allowed me to see that, hey, we have some weakness in the market. So naturally, I will bring my Fibonacci tool and start looking for some discounted areas, right? We want price to come into a discounted area so we can get a really, really good entry. Anything above 50% is a really good area to start looking for some shorts. So here we can actually see that the trade was a very profitable trade, right? Very strong movement that was created to the downside. Here is just a prime example of going from the higher time frame into the smaller time frame to be able to determine whether you want to enter or not, right? Very simple setup, not too much going on, not too many indicators. It's really just price action and some points of interest to look into. So follow me on the next video. I have another great setup that I'll be able to share with you guys, and also the detailed thought process behind it. Thanks.